Hey everyone, it's Jason JM here. Today we have got something very exciting here, the Unitree G1 humanoid robot. Let's get started. Say hi to human. First thing first, this massive suitcase is how the G1 ships, and it's seriously heavy. The robot itself weighs about 165 pounds or 75 kilos, and I think the suitcase adds another 60 pounds also. So if you want to carry this thing around, you're probably gonna need some help. Let's open this suitcase now. Inside the case, we have got the robot neatly folded up. It's kind of funny seeing how it curved out like this. Right now, all its joints are actually relaxed. So it's kind of like a super heavy action figure. As to the accessories, you can find user manual, and there's a controller to control the robot. We can talk about this later. AC adapter and a cable. The battery comes in a separate box. Let's get this big boy out now. The G1 has to start in either laying down or sitting position. It can autonomously stand up from these positions. But if it's facing down, then it's going to be stuck. Good to know. Before powering it up, let's take a look at the controller. The controller is a gaming style controller, but with an instruction label in the center. The instruction shows all the moves that the robot can perform, all the combination of keys. So contrary to what many may think, this robot is not autonomous. You have to control the robot by using this controller at all times. You are essentially piloting this robot by this controller, just like you are controlling a game character inside a video game. Let's power it up. It requires a short press followed by a longer press. Yes, the light is on and the noise is really loud. Now the same process for the controller, short press and long press. And now we need to use the controller to make the robot into a dampening mode, which means that the joints will warm up. After 2 minutes of warming up, I think it should be ready for action. Now let's hit the stand-up command. That's L1 plus X. Yes. After seeing this for so many times, I still find it to be very impressive. The model we got here today is the base version, supporting 23 degrees of freedom. It comes with a pretty hefty price tag of 15K USD. Unitree also offers a higher-end version of 43 degrees of freedom. Those are the ones who are seeing pulling dance and kung fu moves on social media. The base version just can't do those complex moves, and the price of the higher-end version will go up 3 or 4 times of the base version. One thing to keep in mind that this thing, the base version, just cannot do third-party development and OTA updates. If you want to do your custom experiments, you should consider going up to the higher-end version. Looking closer at the G1 here, in the head, it's equipped with a 3D LiDAR camera, a depth camera, and what appears to be an RGB camera as well. But here's the catch. These sensors aren't functional yet. They are installed, but they don't really do anything. I just don't know why they include this here, probably just for simplifying the supply chain. On its body, you have got lots of motors, shoulder joints, the elbow joints, waist joint, 3 hip joints on each leg, knee joint, and 2 ankle joints on each leg, plus a full rotation joint. It's pretty complex under the hood. The base model only got 3 moves. Select and Y is waving, and select and X is turning while waving, and select and A is handshaking. During the handshake, it will lower its joints resistance, so you feel natural to do a handshake with it. And press select and A, turn into a normal position. The G1 still got one thing that really shines: walking. This thing's mobility is incredible. Using the controller, the left joystick handles forward, backward, side-to-side movement, and the right joystick rotates the robot. And you can control with 2 joysticks for a more natural movement paths. And there are 2 speed modes for its working. This is slow, and this is fast. Where the G1 truly amazes is its balance. If you try to push it around, the robot will actively adjust to stay upright. Amazing, huh? Alright, that's a wrap on our first impression of the Unitree G1. For our next video, we're gonna put this guy on various terrains to really test out its working adaptability. If you have any specific things you want to see tested out on the G1, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Oh!